Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Have here today 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. This one is LT, it's a two-wheel drive. I just replaced completely the front brakes, that means the pads and the rotors. You can see some of it in different video. And I would like to do some inspections. Of course, first thing what I will do is checking the engine oil, if it's old and if there is enough of it. This is a straight 6 Vortec 4.2 liter engine, right? Pretty good engine. And it's very easy for the owner, right? This is the place where you pour the new engine oil, add it, and here is the dipstick. So let's go see how much oil it has. We should be checking our engine oil periodically, right? And the correct way to do that is make sure, number one, the vehicle is perfectly level, right? So the measurement will be correct. Number two, the engine wasn't running at least 5 minutes. This one sits here for hours, right? So the oil had a time to go all the way in the oil pan, where I'm basically using this dipstick to measure the level. Now, what I always do, I first pull it, right, and wipe it off, right? Now it's dry, so I will insert it all the way in that dipstick tube and come with the measurement. And this is another shocker, or maybe not shocker anymore. Here it's F as a full, here it's L as a low. The oil is not even touching this dipstick. So it's absolutely low, dangerously low on the engine oil. That's a problem. And I don't know if it's becoming trend or something. I just had here last week Toyota Echo, and it was the same thing. The oil was 2 quarts too low. There was basically only half of the oil. Was barely touching the bottom of the dipstick. I wanted to do this check just basically to show you, because I will be changing the oil on this engine right now. But this is bad, and I have to definitely put it in the comments for the owner. I don't know if it was not filled correctly. This engine actually has a 7 quarts, I was told. It's quite a lot of oil, or if the engine is consuming the engine oil. I don't know, but I will have to let him know. So please make sure you periodically check engine oil on your car, because it's really important. You don't want to end up with running out of the engine oil and destroying the engine, and then obviously repair will be extremely expensive. Thank you for watching this video, and have a wonderful day, my friend.